Hello guys, how are you doing? It's Mila here. Good evening, good afternoon, and for some of you maybe good morning. So I'm just about to show you an amazing office and the heart of the Estonia in Tallinn, the office of the company which you all probably have known, which you hopefully using it on a daily basis. It's Unitex. So currently I am standing in central London. This is Old Town. It's very beautiful location, very historic location, and this is the heart of all businesses and all districts happening in Estonia. As you know, the Estonia has been very well known on area of cryptocurrencies, exchanges. Estonia has certain regulation which allows people and companies to use the cryptocurrencies. So therefore, there are lots of legislations and regulations happening at the moment in Estonia in order to support different startups and specifically cryptocurrency and exchange related. So here I am in beautiful Tallinn. I'm just about to show you the office of Unitex. So let's have a look. So this is how the Christmas still New Year streets look like. It's still very cozy. Beautiful buildings. This is quite a brand new development of this region, and now I will walk you through the office. Nice to see you guys. I can see we have more and more people joining this live. So here we are. We're coming now closely to the office. Each building has this notary stamp, which means that there is official office representative here. So I'm coming closer to the door. Here we are. I'm so excited. Are you excited? Give me some reaction in the chat. Otherwise, it's just me being super excited by looking forward the team letting me in. Okay, here we are inside. Oh, this feels amazing. Another very beautiful buildings here in Estonia. Lots of the buildings like this where it's almost like shared space, but at the same time, this specific buildings belong to the government. So therefore, it was quite difficult to secure the office here. So I'm very happy to be now on this floor, on the lift. So we are going to number 4. I'm so excited. So let's have a look. We're almost there. Reaching out floor number 4 to see who's gonna welcome us here. Lots of doors. Okay. Okay, let's wait. I'm sure somebody gonna open the door. Oh, guys, look who we have here. Hi, Boris.
Welcome, guys.
It's amazing. We have Boris here. Would you be able to show us what is happening here and give us a little bit of guidance in this office, and maybe tell a bit of background, so what happening in this building?
Okay, yes, of course. Well, I'm glad to see all of you guys, and we are in Rotterdam Quartal. It's from Soviet Union. This building and this area was used to one of the famous new movies, Stalker. Yeah,
oh, wow.
It's post-industrial, but at the moment it is the most valuable place for property and for the business developments, and we are not the only one crypto company that is located here. This is our office. We're gonna give you a short brief overview. So it's about 250 square meters. Yes, so up to 30 available working spaces. Yes,
Wow.
but at the moment we are not full stack yet. Some people are on Sikimelt because of the situation in the world. You know, some are working remotely. But let's have a look how does it look like, and I'll give you some sneak peek into the departments and what's going on.
Oh wow, this is amazing. Guys, please put in the chat your hearts how excited you are.
Of course, let's start with this. Yeah, this is our heart, and kitchen room. Yes, so in the future it will be established an aquarium with fishes as well. So it's for mostly relaxation and productive work. Yes. So we can sneak peek into one of the conferences rooms as well. What's happening? So you see the glasses. They are mostly like so usual working space looking like this. Yeah. So come inside. So I think here is nothing. So yeah, the flowers and two monitors, mostly all of them there. So the Unitex hoodies.
Awesome.
Yeah. So,
this is the first time ever we are showing this office of Unitex.
Yeah. So as you can see, part of the team. Part of the team is having a meeting, a lot of documents and negotiations and establishment of connection, or I don't know. So I will not name any names of the participants in position at the moment for the security reasons. Yes.
Awesome. Well, we will continue with the Boris. So let's people do the hard work as they always do. Thanks a lot, guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So this is our next room that we can have a look. Sneak peek, yes. 1, 2, 3,
Hello.
4, as we see. So the next department, as we can see, it's stated with the table of content. So it's an AML and KYC department.
Oh wow, this is secret area.
Yes, this is the secret area.
Oh, the KYC and anti-money laundering department.
So in the middle room here we have a kind of our chill room.
Oh.
For the mental relaxation we have a chess games. Yeah, so it's still a Christmas tree, as we in our traditions had the old New Year Eve as well. So to do some deactivated, and the sofas for the cup of coffee and for negotiation as well. You can close the room and have it absolutely separate for the Zoom meetings. Nice.
Well, but it's very good to have this security, I guess, meeting when you can invite somebody and have like one-on-one discussion, probably with the clients or with somebody
of course,
who wanted to be involved.
If you want to separate yourself from the others, so it's absolutely possible. So now here is what we have: a restroom and douche room. So the office is ready for the operational 24/7, as we are on international market as well.
Wow, so, guys, 24/7.
Mostly we are trying to do that, and at the moment covering most of the time zones.
Awesome, great.
So let's sneak peek to the girls section. They didn't. Yeah. So
Hello.
Hello. So it's
hey.
our and support team and lawyers help. So this is where the decisions and feedback for the customers is heading from. And
nice.
no problem solved.
So this is the problem solution department, guys.
And as you see, this is the IT's team that is mostly with the monitors. So the heart and the core. At the moment, guys are having a meeting about this, some installments and etc.
Perfect.
So this is our small 250 meters and up to 30 places, as I said, it's possible. So actually now everybody likes to talk about the growth and so on.
Yes.
So if to start from where the company was started from. So actually during the year 2021, so the company has grown in personal development more than 700%.
Wow.
Reaching at the moment 15 employees that are working here, some of them remotely.
Nice. Thanks a lot, Boris, to showing us around.
I can show you the exclusive things like some for example, this. So this is from the staff party that we are doing. So the Christmas party. So
nice.
This I will give you a hint, guys. So this is the probably future NFTs.
Wow.
From the Unitex stuff that will be released soon.
Guys, if this is first NFTs, then you have a sneak peek of all these ideas, implementation. Oh, this is look like Unitex team.
Yes, correct. This is Unitex team. Was done by
this is awesome.
One of our colleagues.
It's beautiful.
Yes.
Well, thanks a lot, Boris. Cool.
You're welcome. It was really. I was really happy to see you guys. It was a surprise for me as well. We're always glad to see Mila here. And I wish you all the best and good luck in trainings and in the crypto world.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Boris. Well, guys, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling so excited and overwhelmed with everything I have seen. This is like purely built an office for the Unitex, and I can see the teams working here. There are so many departments, there are so many divisions, and all these people working, by the way, 24/7 in order to give support, like give a verification, onboarding system, IT department. You have seen the entire IT department. They now have a meeting in the boardroom. So lots of things is going on, and I'm super excited to see how the company grows from only 9 months ago. Operations has started, and today we are in Tallinn, heart of the Estonia, heart of the cryptocurrency hub. And as Boris said, the company has managed to grow 700%. This is amazing, and I only can imagine what the future will be for this company. So I'm very excited. So I hope now you guys have more content. You have now more you are more confident in the company, you're more confident in everything what's going on around our entire ecosystem, and please be proud of everything which has achieved, because every single of you have played the massive role of you believing in a company, supporting the mission, being there no matter what, and being together with the company. It shows a great great support and big heart from every single partner. So thanks a lot of being patient. Share this video with others. If you feel like you want to comment something, please be more interactive. Let's share, let's care, and best of luck for the Unitex team. I'm looking forward to come back in Thailand, maybe in some time, in this office, and show you what the next development will look like. So have a good day, have a good morning for some of you, and hope now you see the bigger picture. Take care and bye-bye.